Sec 2 NA. Today we are continuing on maths and skills. Go to your textbook page 219 and you will see work example number 8. Today we are going to do an exam question, a very good question involving maths and skills. Let's take a look. A map has a scale of 1 is to 200 and 200,000. 1 is to 200,000. So on the left is map, on the right is actual. Alright, now both are in cm. 1 cm is to 200,000 cm. That is cm to cm, you see? Okay, I'm going to now convert. The map is forever in cm. Now I'm going to convert cm to meters. To convert cm to meters, all I need to do is divide by 100, which is removing 2 zeros. That would be 2,000 meters. And I'm going to do it again. 1 cm, I'm going to change it into km. To change meter to km is divide by 1,000, which gives me 2 km. Why do I need this tree? This is in cm, this is in meters, and this is in km. I always want to get this tree first so that I have the flexibility to do any questions I want later, no matter what the question asks. Okay? So now, let's read the question. Part 1. Find the actual length that is represented by 40 cm on the map, giving your answers in kilometers. Giving your answers in kilometers. So they want the actual length in kilometers. If you look at 1, 2, and 3, which one of the following the actual length is in kilometers? You look carefully. The third one is the one that gives you actual length in kilometers. So we are going to do that. So we're going to use 1 cm is to 2 km. That is part I. 40 cm is on the map. On the left is the map. On the right is the actual. 40 cm on the map, which means to get 40 cm, I need to multiply by 40. On the right, I also need to multiply by 40. 2 times 40 is 80 km. Answer is 80 km. But of course, I need to write. Therefore, actual length is 80 km. Finish. Done. That is part 1. Now, let's take a look at part 2. Part 2 says, calculate the length on the map that represents an actual length of 6 kilometers. Actual length is in kilometers. Actual in kilometers. 1, 2, and 3. Which one do I use? Again, I use number 3 because the actual length is already in kilometers. So 1 cm is to 2 km. Notice how I always write the scale first. Now, the actual length is 6 km, so of course I put the 6 kilometers on the right side. How to get from 2 km to 6 km? I times 3. So, if I times 3 on the left side, I also need to times 3 on the if I times 3 on the right side, I also need to times 3 on the left side, which gives me 3 cm on the map. My answer is 3 cm. But of course, I need to write my working. Therefore, map length is 3 cm. Finish. That's all I need you to learn today. Okay? My objective is I want you to do this. I want you to learn this. You must know how to convert cm, cm meters, cm, km. Alright? Then after that, apply it to the question. Choose the correct one. Don't start on working with 1 is to 200,000. That would bring you no good. Okay, we also need this 1, 2, 3 later when we learn area. Alright, that's all I have for you today. Do the practice questions in your workbook that I've given you.